Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to find out the exact time taken by your Windows computer to boot up. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, firstly, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for one application name as Boot Racer. You can see. So, on the first list, you will see its official website, Boot Racer. Just click on it. Now you can see its official website, right? So you can see here download option, just click on it. Now below you can see here accept and download, just click on this accept and download to download this application. So the download has been started, so wait for a few seconds until the complete downloading is done. So the file has been downloaded, so let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded and let me close the web browser. So you can see it's a zip file, just double click it to extract this zip file. Just open the folder. So you can see here setup file or the installer, just double click it to run the software installer. Now click on OK. Now click on I accept the agreement, click on next, click on next, click on next, click on next. Just enable this, create a desktop shortcut and click on next, and finally click on install. Wait for a few more seconds until the complete installation is done. So finally the software has been installed successfully. Click on finish. So finally you can see this kind of user interface, right? So you can see here on the right side full boot test and the startup control. So before clicking on this full boot test, so let us jump to the settings or the options. You can see here, just open it and let us go to the options, and you will see here by default it will be selected every boot. You can see some options here. You can see more tabs options in the above. So what you want to show, startup control, you can control the applications which are starting while you are booting up your Windows computer. You can do a scaling, you can auto scale using Windows settings. You can do some settings for the appearance also, how you want to use the appearance. You can see the preferred light skin, you can change the themes, and even you get a advanced option to check for updates for this application and install updates automatically, or even you can try for the stable beta version updates also. So these are all available inside the settings of this application. So to perform a boot up test, that is how much exact time your computer, that is your Windows computer, takes to boot up. So you can click on here full boot test. So we are going to click on this full boot test. So now I'm gonna click on this full boot test to perform this task. So let me click on this full boot test and let us restart our respective Windows computer. Click on start and click on yes. Now your Windows computer will get restarting, so wait for a few seconds. So finally our computer has been restarted and booted up on our Windows computer. So you can see here on the right bottom corner, as you can see, the boot result is performing. So we need to wait for a few more seconds until the final result gets displayed. So have patience. So it's analyzing. So it will count for 10 seconds. It will start counting for 10 seconds. So after that it will display the final result. So finally you can see here, so it took almost 125 seconds. So let us check the boot time. So you can see here 125 seconds, that means almost 1 minute. So let us click on here and let us check here. So the Windows boot time, you can see here the Windows boot time is 43 seconds, and to completely boot up to the desktop it has taken 82 seconds, so almost 1 minute 25 seconds. So I'm using a hard disk drive on this respective computer which I'm making this video tutorial, so it is quite a slow compared to the solid state drive which is most commonly used nowadays. So if you're using a SSD or the solid state drive, then this boot up might be very less compared to this hard disk drive. So you can see here it has divided the Windows boot time. So Windows boot time for my respective computer is 43, and to boot up to the desktop it took 82 seconds. So the complete boot time taken together by Windows boot as well as to completely boot up to the desktop, it took 1 minute 25 seconds. So in your case it might be different, so depending upon how fast your disk drive is, whether you are using a solid state drive or the hard disk drive, it will depend on that, and how is the write or read speed compared to your respective hard drives. So on that thing it will depend how will be your boot time. So using this very useful application named as Boot Racer, you can find out the exact time taken by your Windows computer to boot up. So if you never known about this very useful applications, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find any difficulty in using this application, feel free to leave your comments below. I will try my best to help and guide you with your problem. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.